So we just picked up a new fifth wheel RV and we're trying to get this thing ready to go for the camping season that's coming up here in a couple months. And I went ahead and purchased one of these little paper towel racks to hang in here in the kitchen. So after looking at a ton of these things, I ultimately decided on this one here. And the reason for that is we're kind of trying to match the hardware, which in our coach here is black, but we also wanted something that wasn't going to unravel the paper towel roll at the same time. So when we're running down the road, essentially when we've got our paper towels on this little rack like here, it's not only going to hold it in place to where it won't fall off, but also it's not going to unravel while we're driving and bumping down the road. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed real quick. I'm going to put it right here underneath the cabinet. That way when we're at the sink right here, we can just kind of reach over and we've got our paper towels here conveniently, and we're both left-handed, so that's also a bonus. Now this thing comes with 4 screws. It's got your 4 little black caps that you'll put over the screws, as well as anchors if you're going to mount this thing in drywall. So I went ahead because I had some in the garage and I grabbed some smaller screws. I wanted something a little bit shorter just for the peace of mind. I didn't want to necessarily run up through here and I wasn't sure if there's any wires or anything in here. There shouldn't be, but I'm going to be on the safe side instead. Now I did go ahead and put this little piece of adhesive on here. This comes with the paper towel rack as well. That'll get it stuck up where I want it to be, and then I'll just run the screws in for extra security. That way when we're yanking on this thing, grabbing paper towels, I know I've got enough hold there. So let's get this thing put in place. Okay, so I've already got my marks up here. I just took a little silver Sharpie that I had. I made a couple marks. That way I can make sure I get this thing somewhat straight. So let me go ahead and get this adhesive off here real fast. We'll get this thing stuck up here. So that thing is in place. That's all there is to the install. So I'm going to pop these little beauty caps on now. That'll give it a nice finished look. And that is all there is to putting this little thing up there. It's an easy 5-minute install. And then we'll go ahead and take our paper towels and we'll slide those on over. And that dude's ready to go. So if you're looking for an easy paper towel rack to mount on the inside of your RV, check out this one right here. I think that's going to fit the bill for you. Super easy install, like I said, less than 5 minutes. And that way when you're bumping down the road, you don't have to worry about your paper towels unraveling on you. And it looks nice at the same time, tucked up out of the way. And like I said, ours is right next to the kitchen sink anyway, so now we can just reach over, grab that. Super convenient. That's all I've got for you on this one today, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.